Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video, and as you can see here, this is my payments proof, $13.5 and many more from an app, a free app. As you can see, 3.2. Here you can see again $8.4. Very different, several payments from the app, and it's a free app, and I'll be showing you how you can make money from this app today. And this video I'll show be doing a giveaway of king tokens in this video. So if you want to do that, just follow the instructions, download the app and use the code that will be on the screen. Then so comment in the comment section. You actually be able to get this skin token for free. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so let me quickly teach you how to register on the app and how to get the 2000 king token giveaway. I have as much king tokens as possible, so I'm giving it once it finishes. So once it's done, the rest won't be able to get. But if you are part of the first lucky people, can actually get the king token. So what you do is, after you download the app with the link in the description box, you put in your mobile number with your country code here. Then you put in this code 242532. So once you put this in, just type it in the comment section and your name that you used it. So I'll actually check, then I'll reply your comments telling you to post your address also, then I'll send it to you. So that's just basically it. So this ready to download the app link is in the description box. So you can download it from there, and once you've put in the code as said, then just message me in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So now let me teach you how to earn on the application. Alright, so once you've successfully registered on the app and put in the code that you have been used to, you can just message me in the comment section and tell me. So I'll ask for you. I'll confirm if you've done it, then I'll send you the king token. So once you've done that, let me teach you how you can earn the app. So first of all, if you look at it here, you see some things. So let me just clarify something. This what is it called? These credits that are here, 100 credits is $1. So 10 credits is $0.1. So what you do here is that you do different tasks and you get paid for it. Be it service, app sign-ups, website sign-ups, those simple things like that, and you get paid for it. And I've actually been paid a lot of times from it. But like, I went off this app. If you check my video, you see this was actually the first video I posted on this channel, like on this about this app. But I've been off the platform for like for months now, so I just decided to even download it and see what's up. And I've seen that they've already increased some of their bonuses and their like rewards. So then you will get 0 point something dollars per task. But now, as you can see here, this one, to do this one, is 120 credits. That's $1.2 for doing this one. Very simple. So you play the board kings and reach level 12 within 14 days. So for new users, just reach level 12 of the game, get $1.2 for that. Then this one, I think it's still the same with this one. Yeah, yeah, it's still the same thing. For this one, you can actually do this one, you get $2.3 for this one. So once you do that, this one is actually more simpler than the first one. And it actually takes approximately 16 hours to complete. So that one is simple. That's simple there too. So you can see it again. It's but just go for the highest on that one. This one gets $0.8 for this one gets $0.9. That's how I've been able to earn on it. You can also earn from that. And there are also other ways of earning from it. Okay, they've taken out some. There used to be some tasks of $10 upwards. So but this refreshed every time. So once you um let me just click show more. So once you are doing the task consistently, they will give you a new task that pay higher. So once you've been able to do that, I'm also going to show you how to withdraw in this video. So once you've been able to do that, and that way to earn, as you can see, you get 20 credits when people sign up with your code. So you can just click share. um, to do that, just click on share, then send to your friends and family. So when they sign up, you get $0.2. And I actually tested that before. It was previously 0.1, but now it's 0.2. And I actually tested it out to see, and it actually works. So let me show you here. So this is, so as you can see, presently I have $1.6 in my what's it called, my balance here. So this is the withdrawal I made yesterday or a few days ago or something like that. So you can see it actually entered, and it's part of the proofs I showed in the beginning of the video. So to withdraw, you withdraw to your PayPal account, and you need a minimum of $2.5. It's very low. So you want to complete like 2 3 tasks, you should be able to withdraw from it. So just withdraw. Once you have up to $2.5, just click on get money. So yeah, that's it. So to link your PayPal account, just go to settings down here, then you click on PayPal account. So you can actually change the account if you want to put in new PayPal email. Before, you could not change it. That part of the update. Before, once you registered with a particular PayPal account, you can't change the PayPal email. You have to create a brand new account if you want to change it. But now you can actually change it. So that's just about it. So once you do tasks, refer your friends. You can, but majorly you can just do the tasks. Those, I think you'll be able to earn faster with that. So those are the two ways of earning on the app, and you can withdraw. Their withdrawal takes less than 4 hours. It will land in your PayPal account. So if you want to learn how to create a PayPal account for those that need it in Nigeria or something, Like for countries where PayPal is not supported, you can go to my channel page. I made a video about that. Yeah, this is so. I made a video about that a few days ago. So you can learn how to create a PayPal account from here. Then if you're interested in other airdrops that can get free money from, as I see here, you can just do that. You can do that. So if you still want to get the free 2,000 king tokens bonus, is the first couple of people that will get it. You can just do as I said in the video, register on the app with your mobile number and use the code that I pasted there. So you get it king token. So that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.